Hello all, welcome back to Redeeming Hope. This is the final episode in our series on the sound of redemption. I'm Julie M. Lane, survivor, musician, and educator on a journey of restoration after a lifetime of trauma and abuse. This entire season has been about how sound helped me reclaim my story. Today I want to reflect on what redemption sounds like for me now, and where this journey is leading. I began this path in silence, afraid and visible in the eyes of myself. Then came the trembling tones, then songs of survival. Now there is a sound of peace, healing, and returning. Each sound carries a part of the story. Each tone holds a piece of restoration. Healing is not just about recovery, it's about coming home to yourself, to your body, and to your calling. For me, redemption has always had a sound, and my music has been more than performance. It's been identity. It's been redemption. It's been finding my faith. This is what the sounds of redemption is all about. I'm learning, I'm unlearning, and I'm reclaiming this wholeness. And we're doing it together. I still have a long way to go on my journey, but this is one step of that journey. So thank you for spending season 3 with me. And if this season has resonated with you, please go back and listen to seasons 1 and 2 if you haven't already done so. And I look forward to seeing you in season 4. And feel free to share this with others who you feel it can bring comfort and help someone else feel less alone. I invite you to subscribe so you can continue walking with me through this journey of healing and music. And you can also find more reflections, writings, and updates at juliemlane.com and connect with me on Instagram and Facebook at Redeem Thyself and at 7 Petals. This is the sound of redemption, and I'm grateful to share it with you.